Hello, Odayers. This is You Go Girl, Oday 272, coming to you off the Channel Islands. It's Saturday, the weekend of Thanksgiving, and it's beautiful out here. You can see the seas flatter than a pancake. About a 2-foot swell running, and it's just gorgeous out here. What are we at? We're about 8 knots of wind, making about, let's see if you guys can see that, making about 5 knots, 5.5. Boat's fine because there's no current today. I'm about 60 degrees off the wind, and it's an odd wind today. It's a southeast wind, something we almost never get here. And got full sail up. It's just, oh man, it's just beautiful out here. Give you a picturesque.
Guys, music, what's next?
Picturesque out here. Boy, it's just gorgeous out here. See what's happening. Just cruising right along. This is like lake sailing here. This is crazy. Well, you don't get this too often out here. I'm gonna take advantage of it. I'm on a port tack. I got a guy coming at me, so I'm gonna see what he's doing. He's coming in. Hell, he just went out a little bit ago. That's a bigger boat. Maybe he's not moving as quick. Well, we're just making beautiful headway. Let me see what's going on here. I might have to adjust the course. Back at you. It's the dreaded hunter coming at me. Big one, 44. And didn't have to fall off, which was nice. Get a little video of him in case he wants to go and check it out online. See his vessel. Pretty boats. There he goes. Complete cockpit enclosure. Very odd for this area. Boy, as you can see, this is a day you just want to take off to Hawaii. This is water skiing weather right here. Maybe we'll see some gray whales. It's migrating season, so we'll see what's going on. I know they're coming down south, going down to the Sea of Cortez to have their babies, and this is when they migrate. So over the next month, we'll probably see quite a few moving. They actually move pretty quick because they want to get down there. Just gorgeous. You Go Girl back out here with severe fog. Got everything off, got my fog horn ready to go. Got my AIS set up. Let me zoom in here. You can see, I don't know if you can see it. You can see all the traffic with the boats and the ships. So I'm out here a few miles. Well, actually I'm out here about 5 miles offshore. So I'm trying to get its pea soup out here and just trying to listen to everything. And I wanted to get you a video of, you saw when I first went out, this is what I ran into. and all my lifelines are just dripping off, and still warm out here, but that little bit of moisture. Still got wind too, moving along, like not trying to go too fast because I gotta pay attention to what's happening. Any kind of motors I hear or anything. So I kept going deep instead of turning around trying to head to the harbor. So I don't know how long it's going to be with me, but just wanted to give you a quick shot of this and see what's happening. Thank God for the chart plotter AIS. That's for sure. Those big ships will sink you, and I'm almost out to the shipping lane, so I want to make sure I know who's coming at me. And man, I can only see, I don't know, maybe 300 yards, maybe 400 yards. Looks like it's trying to lift, but man, I'll tell you, I'm gonna have to turn around soon. All right, gone. So I'm heading in. This fog never got any better and the wind's really lightened up. So fired up the motor and I'm heading in. I'm probably, I don't know, maybe a half. I don't know if you guys can see this. You could see where the harbor entrance is at. You can see where I'm at. You can see where I'm moving. And there it is. You can see a few AIS boats, yachts, ships, whatever's out there. That's where I'm at. This thing's a lifesaver. I just heard a Catalina 375, fairly new boat, obviously. She just mayday for help because she couldn't get into the harbor. So I don't know what's going on with that. Her motor was running, but they escorted her in from Harbor Patrol. So I don't know if she didn't know the harbor or what, but it's right there on the GPS. And you can zoom in on that baby if you wanted to. Let's see. Of course, I'm on this, trying to point this thing at the same time. I need to zoom back out. Hold on a second. I gotta be able to see that harbor. But boy, she's gotten thick. She's probably, I don't know if you guys can, if I got 300 yards visibility, that's a shocker. So I need to get in, get safe, and you know, I'm out here by myself, so it even makes it a little more difficult. So I only got two set of eyes. Two sets, meaning me and my glasses. So, all right, you go girl out.